This is week 14, November 30th to December the 4th. And this is going to be right above this week 14 remote instruction. So what this will serve as is a little bit of instruction for you when you're at home. If you're not quite sure what's going on, I figured instead of you having to read about it or try to call me and email me and sort it out, I'd make a video. I hope you watch it. When you're here for the hybrid students, you're going to be working on your projects. We're going to keep working on those and rolling through those. But remember, school is 5 days. So on the days you're not here, the things that we're going to be doing at home are we're going to be still doing the interactive PowerPoint, and that's what you're looking at right now here. Let's make it bigger so we can see. You're still going to be doing that interactive PowerPoint when you're at home. Remote students, you're still going to be submitting a super safety tip. It's down below here. You can't see it right now. We're also going to be working on a Tinkercad. And this week, everybody is going to do the Tinkercad snowman. And my thought kind of behind this Tinkercad snowman is you could make your snowman look a little bit like you maybe. And there he is. That's a pretty cute one. But you can make yours however you want. You don't have to copy that one. I'd be curious to see how you guys can make your different snowmen, snow women and snowmen. And you guys are getting really good at Tinkercad, so you can do some really unique things, and I can't wait to see them. I think it'd be neat if your snowman looked a little bit like you, but it doesn't have to. But if you made it like you, I think that'd be pretty cool. Actually, I'm going to do this. If you make your snowman look like you and you tell me that you made it look like you, I'll give you a bonus point. I'll give you an extra point if you make the snowman look like you. Also, this week, when you're at home, we're going to be doing Chapter 16, both Woods 1 students and remote students, and that's page 235 to 251, questions 1 to 9 on 251, and then the Chapter 16 worksheet. And then the only other thing that we're going to do this week for all students, Woods 1, Woods 2, and 3 and 4 and remote students, we're going to do what's called a video research project. And I have that over here on my Google Classroom. And here's what it says. Please choose a woodworking video on YouTube that has something to do with gluing and clamping. This is gluing and clamping week. It could be any woodworking project at all, as long as it has something to do with gluing and clamping. Listen, you can get really creative. You can find anything at all. It could be a cutting board. It could be a pen, a pencil. It could be an armoire. Look that up, see what an armoire is. It can be an end table, a coffee table, a TV stand, a bowl on the lathe. It can be anything. As long as there's some kind of gluing and clamping in it, then watch that video. Link that video in the PowerPoint that the Google slide that I provided for you. Tell me about that video in the Google slide. Tell me what's being made in that video. Tell me one thing you like about the woodworker in that video, and tell me one thing you disliked about the woodworker in that video. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I hope everybody's well, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Bye now.